How to log in into Snapchat with recovery code? Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to log in into Snapchat with recovery code. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So right now I'm on my Snapchat. In the upper part to the left I have my picture, my avatar. And now in the upper part, but to the right, I have the symbol of settings. Here, almost in the middle of the screen, below password, I have the option two-factor authentication. So this is just gonna work if you want to log in into your Snapchat, obviously, but in a different device, maybe a different phone or different computer. You are going to be asked for a new code different to your password. Okay, so here you have different options. The first one is an SMS verification and a code will be sent to your phone number. Or the second one, the one that I'm going to teach you today, is the authentication app. It works with a second app, in this case Google Authenticator, because I'm an Android. So what you have to do, let me check this, I'm going to disable this to show you, is to make the process. So I'm gonna set up automatically. Obviously in this case you must have the Google Authenticator in your phone, so you have to go to your Google Play Store, write Google Authenticator and download it. Then once you have downloaded, you can click on set up automatically. So here I'm gonna be the OK, and they are asking me for safe key for Snapchat and my account. So this is my code. This is the code that I'm gonna get. This code is going to be new every few seconds. As you can see, there is like a circle at the end of my code. And if it gets to the end, then there is a new code, as you can see. So I'm going to get this code into my Snapchat. And I'm going to continue. I can also make these, they are asking me to make these by my SMS verification. I'm going to skip right now in the upper part. And also the recovery code, I'm going to skip these two. I think it is enough to have the authentication with Google Authenticator. So this is how to log in into Snapchat with a recovery code. Thanks for watching.